Australian resident Jessica Wongso has been charged with the murder of Mina Salihin. Police allege she poisoned her friend by adding cyanide to her coffee.
Jessica itu kan kayak setan itu. Deep inside is something like evil gitu. Yang dibilang the trial of the century itu betul.
Evidence 6. The loss of 50 frames from tampered CCTV 7 footage. A forensic analysis of the 50-frame discrepancy in CCTV video 7 indicated a significant impact on the integrity of the digital evidence. This frame discrepancy raised suspicions that one or both versions of the video had been manipulated or edited. During the critical time frame when Jessica was suspected of aligning a paper bag and inserting cyanide, the presence or absence of these 50 frames could have affected the clarity of the event. The reduction in video frames by removing 50 frames could have caused the loss of crucial details necessary to accurately understand the sequence of events. For instance, if the scenes between 16:28 and 40 seconds Western Indonesian time and 16:29 and 50 seconds Western Indonesian time were among the missing 50 frames, it could obscure vital information such as Jessica's hand movements or objects that might have been present in those scenes. Such a significant loss of visual information could cast doubt on the reliability of the evidence presented in court. Furthermore, the discrepancy in the number of frames between the reports of Christopher Hariman Rianto and Muhammad Na Al-Azhar highlighted inconsistencies and a loss of integrity in the evidence presented by both forensic experts. The 50-frame discrepancy raised questions about the reliability of the digital evidence collection and presentation process in this case. This inconsistency could lead to uncertainty and doubt about the experts' testimonies and potentially influence the final decision in the trial. The forensic impact was that the absence of the 50 frames in the downscaled video version could obscure the complete picture of events that occurred during the critical time frame. This not only affected the court's ability to make an informed decision based on the available evidence, but also cast doubt on the validity of the forensic experts' testimonies and analyses. This situation underscored the importance of maintaining the integrity of digital evidence in the judicial process to ensure that true justice is achieved. Furthermore, the forensic impact of the downscaled video clip with 50 missing frames, where Jessica Wongso was accused of moving the stirrer from the table into Myrna Salihin's glass, aligning a paper bag, and inserting cyanide into Myrna Salihin's coffee cup, is significant. First, the missing frames could result in a loss of crucial details that are essential for accurately understanding the sequence of events. If the missing frames contained key actions, such as Jessica's hand movements or the placement of objects, their absence could obscure critical evidence. This could potentially lead to misinterpretations or doubts about what actually occurred during the critical time frame. Second, the integrity of the digital evidence is compromised by the reduction in resolution and the missing frames. Any gaps or sudden jumps in the video could suggest tampering or editing, raising questions about the authenticity of the footage. This inconsistency could undermine the reliability of the evidence presented in court and cast doubt on the overall case against Jessica. Additionally, the discrepancy in the number of frames could create uncertainty and confusion. It could lead to different interpretations by forensic experts, which in turn could affect their testimonies and analyses. This inconsistency may introduce reasonable doubt, impacting the court's ability to make a well-informed decision based on the available evidence. Overall, the forensic impact of the downscaled video with missing frames is substantial. It affects the clarity and reliability of the evidence, potentially influencing the outcome of the trial and the justice delivered.